Welcome to Riot Studio. Imagine it, we build it. Customize the HUD appearance with multiple styles, ensuring it fits your server's theme perfectly. The HUD is fully dynamic, adapting to your gameplay. It appears only when needed, keeping the screen clean and immersive. There are many HUD shapes, one for submarines and boats, one for aircraft, and also for cars. The HUD comes with a full settings panel. Drag and drop icons anywhere on your screen to customize your layout. You can show or hide the water marker percentage, as well as switch between different HUD styles and choose the one that suits you. You can also enable the FPS boost option and choose between a square or circular minimap. For more information, you can find our links in the description below, as well as the script link.